Time to dig into this bottom end. This O-ring will be replaced. Next, take the clutch and clutch plates out. I like to take 2 pennies and jam them into the gears here so that I can loosen these bolts. I've rebuilt a couple of these engines all the way through and taken several others apart. I have never taken one of these apart that has these O-rings. I've never seen one before. Well, this engine has 7 of them. Need to put the pennies in here so I can get this driven gear loose. Okay, looks like just one. Let's loosen this guy up. Make sure we're getting all the parts here. This thick washer goes on the back side of this clutch hub. Another very thick washer. I'm going to look and see if this is the exact same size as the one I pulled off. Yeah, these 2 washers are identical, these 2 thick washers. And don't forget the ball bearing in here. That will. 1 ball bearing. I just got a new gallon baggie for these parts. Can I get it on the first try with my crappy snap ring pliers? Oh boy. Keep telling myself I need to buy some good snap ring pliers, and I just never do it. Put it back on. Another washer goes here. Another washer on the back. Another washer. A gear. Another gear. And the square key. Don't lose that. I have to remove this bolt. The shift star required a little gentle persuasion to get it started. And here it is. Yeah, that thing's got some Loctite or something on it. Yeah, wow. I'm not able to break these two screws loose with my impact driver. This tip is too fat. It's starting to strip the head out of the screw, but I'm wondering if I can just leave that assembly in there. Do I need to take it out to rebuild this thing? I don't think so. Looks like I have a couple of parts left to take off over here. I loosened this up, the countershaft sprocket, when it was on the bike. You know, these usually have one crack. This one has two. It's a bonus. And the clutch push rod just fell out when I was tipping the engine over. I think I can get to all the nuts on the bottom with this on there. 8, 7. Get the idea? I'm going in reverse order. Same thing here. I think this is 16. 15. 9. Right socket. Tack gear and the clutch arm. Now we can see how cooperative this thing wants to be coming apart. I think that broke loose. Yep. Just for comparison, this is a crank I took out of my Thrasher bike 350 engine. It was still running quite well, but the color of these rods, they're kind of a deep dark bronze color. Man, these are black, very dark. Just seems like this thing got really hot or something, but I may be way off on that. It feels like it rotates real well. Yeah, I don't know. I'm no expert on this. I will consult an expert. I need to finish up with the disassembly here. There's 3 retaining clips. 1, 2, 3. One clip. These are the shifter fork clips. 2. I had to use an impact driver to get this broken loose. Now I've backed this nut off till it bottomed out coming this way. Now I can take this guy out. And the only reason I'm actually disassembling all this is so I can clean the cases up real good. Not sure what exactly I'm going to do. I like that vapor blasting process, but I don't think I'll get to that. Here's this stuff.